Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola. This is my first YouTube video. Yay! Okay, I've always wanted to start my own channel. Like everybody, I've always been like, oh Lola, you need to get a YouTube channel. Okay guys, before I start my face, I just want you to know that the key to a flawless makeup is a well prepped face. So I'm gonna be starting by spraying my face with a MAC Fix Plus setting spray. It's a setting spray and it can also serve as a primer. And by the way guys, this is not a brow tutorial. I will do a brow tutorial very soon. You can just leave a comment down below if you want me to do a brow tutorial. So starting with my brows, I'm gonna line the lower part of my eyebrow for a start, just to trace the shape of my brows. So I'm gonna line the upper part of my brows and fill it up. And the next thing I'm gonna do is take my concealer in the shade Fawn, my Helly Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm gonna use it to clean out my brows and just clean out all those excess brows and all those, I wouldn't say to reduce the shape of your brows, but it will define the shape of the brows even more, and just gonna blend it out. So sorry guys, my camera actually went off at a point and I didn't even know when. So when I was applying my transition color, it got cut off. So guys, I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow in my Sleek Sunset palette and apply it on the outer V of my eyes. I'm just gonna blend it in just to create a V shape and to darken my crease. Going into my Juvias Masquerade Mini palette, I'm gonna take that eyeshadow and I'm also gonna use it to blend out the black that I just applied on my outer V. I'm gonna take my flat brush and I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray. This method guys is going to reduce fallout when you're packing your eyeshadow from the palette to your eyes. Going back into that same Beige palette, I'm going to apply this golden silvery kind of eyeshadow. It's so nice. I love this color so much. So I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid. All I'm just gonna do is press it on my eyes. I'm not going to be moving it. I'm just gonna press it down with the flat brush. Just gonna keep pressing it down and I'll keep packing it until I achieve the amount of eyeshadow I want to apply on my eyelid. And also don't forget to take it up so you can have that bigger eyelid kind of effect on your eyes. You know, it's always kind of sexier. I'm just gonna take my bold and sexy liquid eyeliner from Black Radiance Beauty. Just gonna create my wing. Just two simple rules: draw your line and fill in. That is what I've always actually used when it comes to my eyebrows and my eyeliner. You draw your line and you fill it in. So to darken that same eyeliner, I'll take my waterproof liquid eyeliner from Black Radiance Beauty and I'll apply it on the eyeliner. Going into my lashes, I'm gonna be using the Berbie Beauty eyelashes in the shade Giselle. I love these eyelashes so much. I've used it several times guys. Like, I think I need to get another one. So using my Full Effect mascara from the same Black Radiance Beauty, I'm just gonna use it on my natural eyelashes. I'll be using my Elegant HD primer. I love it so much. It smoothens the face. Like it removes all your pores. It just hides everything. I'm going in with my Maybelline foundation, the Fit Me foundation, in the shade, I think it's Coconut. I'm not sure about the shade, but I'll link it right down below. I'm just gonna apply it on my face with my beauty blender with my sponge and just dab it into the face. I'm just gonna tap 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 tap. You can see how I do it. Okay, tap 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 into the face. Just keep applying it. Just, you can see I'm not dragging it, I'm not wiping it, I'm just dabbing it into the face. That is the best way to apply your foundation. You don't have to drag it, you don't have to rub it all over your face. All you just need to do is to tap 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 it into your skin. Let your skin absorb it. Yes, that's the best way. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Elegant concealer in the shade Fawn and medium beige. I'm using two different colors because the Fawn is darker than my skin tone, so I'm using the medium beige to like lighten things up. Just gonna apply it under my eyes, on my chin, my forehead, my nose, and my cupid's bow. So I'm gonna use my brush because I love to use brush for the dark shade of my concealer, which is Cocoa dark shade of Elegant concealer for my contour area and on my forehead. Now I'm gonna use my wet beauty blender to blend out the concealer. I'm gonna blend out my chin, my forehead. This is really important because we are trying to achieve the small forehead. I'm also gonna blend out my under eye. Sorry, I had to skip that part, but very soon I'm gonna do a full highlighting and contouring video for you guys, and I can't wait. So after blending, the next thing is to use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my under eye. Me taking some Lucozade energy boost. I needed that. Okay, back to the face. I'm just gonna take my favorite blending brush from Beige Cosmetics. I'm gonna use it to dust off all those excess powders on my face. I'm going to use my favorite Black Radiance Beauty contour powder. This is my all-time powder. I love it so much. Define my cheekbone. I want it to have this Maleficent effect, kind of. I mean, I need to watch that movie again, right? so I'm applying it on the jawline. And you know, when you also use contour palette, a dark shade, it hides some of the fat on your face. Yeah, so I'm using it to contour my nose, of course. I want it to look so natural and so nice. I'm gonna use it more on my forehead just to matte out the previous concealer I used on my forehead, my chin, my cheekbones, my nose, everywhere. Just blend it out, just keep blending. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. This is really important to take off that line you see on people's faces. It's kind of weird when you go out and you see girls' faces looking all different shades of line. You don't want to look like that. I'm going in with my blush, my face blush from the same brand, Black Radiance Beauty, with my favorite part of face makeup, my highlighter. Yeah, I love using my hand to apply the highlighter on my nose bridge. I don't know about you, you can use your brush, you can use your hand, but hand works for me. And you can see I'm also using my brush to blend it well and, you know, just make it look cleaner. Chin, I'm also gonna apply it on my forehead. You know, I just want to shine. Come on, you can't blame me, girl. I just want to shine. Yeah. Take my beauty blender to use it to blend that highlighter. I just don't want it to look like powder on my face, so I'm gonna use it to blend. I want it to look like my skin. That's just the idea. I use it to blend the highlighter into my skin so it looks like my skin, flawless. Yeah. Mascara I used earlier for my lower lash line. Taking that same setting spray, MAC Fix Prep Plus, I'm going to spray my face, remove all those powdery effects sustained from the setting powder, and I'll leave it to dry on its own. I'm going to take my Zaron lip gloss in the shade. I'll link the shade right down below. I love the shade. It's pink. It feels so right. I noticed that I had to line my lips, so I took my Zaron lip pencil in the shade Bold. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to post my next video. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time, guys. Bye bye.